What if your next electric car didn't try to be flashy or futuristic, but instead focused on being beautifully simple, smart, and safe, while still packing serious performance under the hood? That's the 2025 Volvo XC40 Recharge. It's not here to shout for attention, it's here to deliver a refined, powerful EV experience in true Scandinavian fashion. And once you get behind the wheel, you'll realize this isn't just another electric SUV. It's a redefinition of what daily driving can feel like. The moment you lay eyes on the XC40 Recharge, it's clear this isn't just a typical crossover. The clean, closed-off grille, iconic Thor's hammer LED lights, and sculpted lines give it a presence that's both minimalist and premium. It's compact, but it feels strong. Urban, but adventurous. And it wears Volvo's badge with quiet confidence. This is a car that doesn't chase trends, it sets them. Now let's talk power, because this EV isn't just about clean energy, it's about clean acceleration. The twin-motor AWD version delivers a whopping 402 horsepower and 494 lb-ft of instant torque. That means 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. Yes, this compact family SUV will leave sports sedans in the dust at a red light, all while making zero noise and zero emissions. It's fun, fast, and fully electric. But it's not reckless. It's precise. Confident. Effortless. With an updated battery system, the 2025 XC40 Recharge offers up to 280 miles of range on a full charge. Need a quick top-up? Plug it into a DC fast charger and you can go from 10% to 80% in around 30 minutes. That's enough time for a coffee, a meeting, or just a quick break. And with more charging stations popping up every day, this isn't the future, it's the now. Inside, the XC40 Recharge is everything you expect from Volvo and more. The design is clean, calming, and incredibly thoughtful. Recycled materials meet premium finishes. The massive center touchscreen is powered by Google, so you get native Google Maps, Google Assistant, and seamless app integration. Just say, "Hey Google, navigate to the nearest charger," and it's already rerouting. No lag, no confusion, just smart, intuitive tech that works. And yes, it's practical. You get plenty of rear seat space, a large cargo area, and even a front trunk, perfect for storing a charging cable, gym bag, or whatever else you don't want rolling around in the back. And with Volvo's obsession with safety, you get features like pilot assist, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, and more, all standard. The XC40 Recharge isn't trying to change who you are. It's here to fit your life, elevate your commute, and offer a greener, quieter, more powerful way to drive. It's for those who want a sustainable vehicle without sacrificing design, safety, or fun. So if you've been waiting for the right EV to make the switch, the wait is over. The 2025 Volvo XC40 Recharge is here, and it's everything you didn't know you needed.